Going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air cabin filter on a new generation Odyssey 2018 to 2024 so far. We'll see if it continues. Probably going to be the same idea, even if it changes a bit. First, we're going to open the glove box and empty it out from all its contents. Next, we have this little hook over here. I'm just going to push down on it. Looks like it comes off. Yeah, a little bit hard, but yeah. Once that's broken free, I'm going to push on both sides of the glove box together. Hopefully I won't shut off the video on the process, but I will need to use two hands, so hang on. Alright, it just drops down like that, revealing the secret compartment to the air cabin filter. And there's a tab on this side, and I'm assuming there's the same tab on the other side. Let's see. Yep, there is. Oh, that fell down to... Alright, got it back. Take that off. Now let's reveal the air cabin filter. So this one's going to be an interesting one. There's a lot of stuff going on in the crevices of this air cabin filter, so it's a good thing we're replacing it. And I'm going to slide it back in that compartment. Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down, and then you reverse the steps, and that's all there is to that. Thank you for watching.